Hello guys, welcome to today's video guys. Today I'm trading the British manufacturing PMI. We have analyzed a buy for the manufacturing PMI and I'm placing my trades right now on GBP JPY guys. It is 3 minutes before the release of the PMI results and my balance, as you can see guys, is $1,900. So let's see how it goes guys. It is actually 2 minutes before the release of the results guys. So just to avoid this video being long, I'm going to pause the recording and resume when I have some updates or before I close these trades. Okay guys, so here's the update on my trade guys for the British manufacturing PMI. I was able to make $900 on this trade and I'm about to close guys. I'm about to close the trade. I'm happy with this profit. I'm very happy with the profit guys. So don't forget, if anyone is interested in joining our WhatsApp signal group to receive signals like these guys, just send a WhatsApp message to the number on the screen to inquire about the services that we offer. Thanks for watching the video guys. I'm done.